This is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start. The first feature that we would like to highlight in today's video is called the fingerprint ID, and that's the option that allows you to set your fingerprint at the screen unlock method. So, to put it in other words, feature that allows you to lock your screen with your fingerprint. So in order to set this feature up, for your fingerprint to be enrolled, you gotta simply launch the general settings app, then enter the password, fingerprint and face detection category. In here, go for the dedicated fingerprint, fields. And in here at the bottom of the page, go for the add fingerprint option. Choose what backup screen lock method you would like to use alongside the fingerprint. So the list of available options goes as pattern, pin or password. I'll go with the pattern myself. Then draw the pattern that you'd like to use. Further, then confirm it. After that, you gotta start enrolling the fingerprint. Just place it over here at the scanner that is located underneath the display. So simply lay and lift your finger onto the scanner until it will entirely scan your fingerprint. As you can see, each time we lay it onto the sensor, we gotta slightly rotate our finger in order for the entire surface of our fingerprint to be scanned correctly and scanned at the first place. As you can see, the setup procedure has been successfully finished. From here, just tap on the done option, and now we can start using the fingerprint to unlock the screen. As you can see, it works just fine. A very, very swift working sensor. Works, outstandingly quick, should I say. Alrighty, that will be it for the first tip. Moving on to the second one, or should I say, it's going to rather be a feature. So let's open the settings, then enter the display category, and in here you'll be able to change the screen refresh rate, the values that you can choose from go from 60 Hz all the way up to 165. So basically, the higher value you opt for, the smoother and silkier animations and general visual experience you will get, but at the same time, higher values of the display refresh rate tend to drain significantly more battery. So if you would like to, if the left power of your device, the currently power you have, is something that concerns you, just opt for the lower values. If your battery is sufficient at the moment, you can set it to be more at the higher edge. So as you can see, the values are 60, 90, 120 and 165 Hz. The optimal values in order to get the best from both worlds are 90 or 120, as you can see. So choose whatever value suits your needs the best at any particular moment. You can also turn this toggle on or off in order for the status bar to show what the current value of the screen refresh rate. Alrighty, the third option is located at the always on display category of settings, and it's the always on display itself. So as you could already knew, that AOD is the feature that allows for your disabled screen, for your disabled display to show some crucial data like current time, the most recent notifications, date, weather, whatever. So in here you can, in order to turn this feature on, tap on this little cog icon at the top right corner, then switch on the always on display toggle. In here you can choose the starting and ending time for it, then turn on or turn off the pick up your phone to show, choose the show duration, brightness, lower power off for it, and desktop shortcut. If you would like to set it to be visible at all times, just let's say set it to show from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. or a.m. of course. Alrighty, basically you can change the design for it, choose from various local resources, appearances that the phone provides you with. So there are quite a few designs for time, for the video, GIF, image. You can also add the custom image as well if you want to. Text that you can also set to be custom. Analog clock designs, plenty of them we have, and digital clock designs, as well as customize it over here. So let me just show how does the always on display look exactly. For some reason it is not visible at the moment, so let me rather set it to be shown from 6 a.m. to 5:59 a.m. And now, as you can see, the always on display is visible. In my case, it is a very simple clock and this little animation, so nothing too fancy. Alrighty, moving to the next feature that I would like to highlight in this video, that is the cooling fan. It's a very cool gaming feature that allows your phone not to overheat, allows the system to cool it down a little by using the built-in fan. In order to set it up, just enter the cooling fan category of settings, then turn it on. You can hear that it currently works, so basically switch it manually to be enabled. It was set in the auto mode, which means that it will be automatically activated each time you launch the game. Then you can make it to be fast, or should I say faster, to cool things more rapidly. Then there are two options that allows you to either make it so that it will be automatically switched on when the game is entered, or switched on when the fast charging feature is enabled. I'll set it to be solely manual, so each time I need the cooling fan, I'll be able to turn it on all by myself. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature, that is the fifth and final for this video. It is the feature that allows you to measure your current heart rate with the fingerprint using the measures of the fingerprint scanner that we have looked at earlier. So open the settings, go for the more features, and in here enter the heart rate detection section. Next, pick up your phone, place your finger onto this fingerprint scanning area, and wait until it will measure the heart rate you have. As you can see, now I have successfully detected my heart rate and provided me with the respective report. In my case, it is pretty normal in the range of 60 and 100 bits per minute. So just like so, if you do not have like the smartwatches or any other accessory that measures your heart rate, you can do that by using the default measures of the phone. Alrighty, so that would be not only for the fifth feature and tip, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.